Choose a mythical character and read their identity card.
Print out the male or female body shape, the clothing, the attributes, the animals.
Color them.
Cut them out.
Apply the attributes.
You can either put them on,
Apply glue,
or stick them by the little squares at the edges.
collect them all.